welcome to another video. Our task in this JEE math exam question is to find the number of positive integers satisfying the given equation. Okay, so on the left hand side is x plus log to base 10, okay, of parentheses 2 raised to the power of x plus 1. Then on the right hand side, so this is equals to the right hand side, which is x log to base 10 of 5 plus log to base 10 of 6. Okay, now I'm going to carry this x over to the right hand side, and I'll carry the log to base 10 of 6 over to the left hand side. So on the left hand side will be log to base 10 of parentheses 2 raised to the power of x plus 1 minus log to base 10 of 6 equals to x log to base 10 of 5. So when this crosses the bridge of equality sign to the other side, it will become minus x. So now x is common on the right hand side. So this will be, so I'll factor out x so that we can have x parentheses log to base 10 of 5 minus 1. So on the right hand side, we have log to base 10 of 2 raised to the power of x plus 1 minus log to base 10 of 6. Now, I'm going to use the property that log to base a of p minus log to base a of q. Okay, this will be equals to log to base a of p over q. That is the difference between the logarithms of two separate quantities, p and q. That will be equals to the logarithm of their quotients. That is the quotient of the two separate quantities. So with this property, I'm going to apply it in this case. All right. So that this will be log to base 10 of parentheses 2 raised to the power of x plus 1. Okay, divide by 6. Okay, and this will be equals to x parentheses log to base 10 of 5 minus log to base 10 of 10, because log to base 10 of 10 is 1. So this one is same as log to base 10 of 10. Now I can again apply this property, okay, on the right hand side. Then this x, I'm going to what? Make it become the power of the what? Argument. So now on the left hand side, we have log to base 10 of 2 raised to the power of x plus 1 over 6, which is equals to, it will be equals to log to base 10 of 5 over 10, okay, then raised to the x power, that is raised to the power of x. Now I'm going to extract this log, okay, so that this will reduce to 2 raised to the power of x plus 1 over 6 equals to 1 over 2 raised to the power of x. 5, that is 5 out of 10, that will be 1 over 2. All right, so in this case, I'm going to make a substitution. So I can say let k equals to 2 raised to the power of x. So which means that this will be k plus 1 over 6 equals to, I'm sure we know that 1 over 2, that is parentheses 1 over 2 raised to the power of x is the same as 1 over 2 raised to the power of x. So now this will be 1 over k. This will be 1 over k. So now I can cross multiply. So by cross multiplication, this will be k times k. That will be k squared. K times 1, k. 6 times 1, this will be 6. Now I will carry this over to the left hand side. Okay. Okay, so when I carry this, when the 6 is carried over to the left hand side, okay, it's going to become minus 6. So we have k squared plus 6 minus 6 equals to 0. Now we have a quadratic equation. So to solve this quadratic equation, I'm going to use method of factorization by splitting the middle term. And the two numbers that multiply to minus 6 and add to plus 1 are minus 3, that will be 3 and minus 2. So this will be k squared plus 3k minus 2k minus 6 equals to 0. So I'm going to divide this by k. K squared divided by k, that will be k. 3k divided by k, that will be 3. Then minus 2 parentheses. So I'm going to divide this by negative 2. Minus 2k divided by minus 2. That will be k. Minus 6 divided by minus 2. That will be equals to plus 3. And that's equals to 0. Alright, so now we have the product of k minus 2 and k plus 3 equals to 0. So this means that the value of k, okay, it means that k minus 2 is equals to 0, or k plus 3 is equals to 0. Then the value of k is equals to 2, or the value of k is equals to minus 3. Now let's not forget that we're looking for the number of positive integers satisfying the equation. So this will be rejected. This is negative, okay? This will be rejected. So the only value of k, okay, that can be used to solve for the value of x, which will now to solve for the value of x will be k equals to 2. So the value of x that we're going to get using k equals to 2 will be the only solution to this question. Will be the only solution to this question, and it must be positive. Let's find out. That is, now I'm going to recall from here that because k is equals to 2, then 2 will be equals to 2 raised to the power of x. So it means that x will be equals to 1. So the number of positive integers satisfying the equation will be 1. Now x is equals to 1. So it means that the number of positive integers, satisfying the equation is 1. That's 1. Now let's verify our answer. Okay, let's check. Let's check for the correctness of our solution. Okay, so we have that x is equals to 1. Now the left hand side of this equation is x plus log to base 10 of parentheses 2 raised to the power of x plus 1. So when the value of x is, now we have the value of x to be equals to 1. So this will be 1 plus log to base 10 of parentheses 2 raised to the power of 1 plus 1. Okay, and this will be, now remember, log to base 10 of 10 is 1. So this will be log to base 10 of 10 plus log to base 10 of 2 plus 1. This is 3. Okay, now using the property log to base a of p plus log to base a of q, which is equals to log to base a of product of p and q. Okay, so it means that log to base 10 of 10 plus log to base 10 of 3, that will be log to base 10 of 10 times 3, which is, this will be equals to log to base 10 of 30. So this is the left hand side. Now for the right hand side, we have the right hand side to be x log to base 10 of 5 plus log to base 10 of 6. Now the value of x is equals to 1. So if I put 1 here and then carry the 1, okay, that's bring the 1 here to become the power of 5. So 5 raised to the power of 1 will be 5. So it means that because x is equals to 1, we're going to have 1 log to base 10 of 5 plus log to base 10 of 6. So that this will be log to base 10 of 5 plus log to base 10 of 6. Applying this property, we're going to have log to base 10 of 5 plus log to base 10 of 6 to be log to base 10 of 5 times 6. And this will be log to base 10 of 30. So we can see here that the left hand side, okay, the left hand side, this is the left hand side, and this is the right hand side. So the left hand side is equals to the right hand side. Okay, the left hand side is equals to the right hand side. So the number of positive integers satisfying the equation will be 1. The noblest pleasure is the joy of understanding. Bye-bye.